Esta é uma aproximação de jovens a uma grande comunidade internacional que lutam em benefício do bem-estar e da saúde deste planeta, com vista à construção de sociedades ambientalmente sustentáveis e socialmente justas.
The first international conference, Let's Take Care of the Planet, gathered 47 countries in 2010. And I think it's important to underline that because the methodology we use now in the European Conference comes from that methodology in Brazil.
Alors, ce qui est intéressant, c'est que ces questions relatives à l'environnement, elles nécessitent toujours que les élèves mobilisent des connaissances qui viennent de différentes disciplines.
O que traz de mais importante para cada estudante, para cada professor, para cada escola, é a chamada educação à cidadania planetária.
When I was participating in the conference, I feel very excited and motivated and interested on the work that the youngsters are developing both at local and in their schools and also during the conference. So when I had the opportunity to collaborate on this project and to organize this conference, I couldn't say no.
The three pillars of the methodology are youth educates youth. It means that the facilitators that are between 16 to 30, they are facilitating the workshop of the young delegates. Second, youth elects youth. The delegates here had been elected by their classmates in their class. And third principle, one generation is learning with another. It means that the knowledge is not a process that comes from the top to the bottom, but also to the bottom to the top.
Penso que é muito importante este tipo de conferências porque é aqui que, de facto, pessoas de diferentes sítios, diferentes culturas, diferentes ideias se juntam então para tentarem resolver problemas mundiais que nos preocupam um bocadinho a todos. Como biólogo marinho, eu penso que o maior problema que nós atravessamos hoje em dia é, de facto, o desperdício de plástico e, principalmente, aqueles materiais que não são recicláveis ou que não são reutilizáveis.
En Palencia, por el cambio climático, no ha llovido, por lo cual ha habido una gran sequía y se han perdido muchos cultivos, un gran problema para nosotros.
I live in Georgia and the air is very polluted, so I cannot breathe easily because I'm very concerned about it. I want to make it better.
À l'école, j'ai fait un projet qui parle des toilettes sèches. Donc ça consiste à construire des toilettes sèches dans mon collège.
Des échanges qui sont culturellement très intéressants et très riches et qui donnent un souffle et une dynamique qu'on n'aurait pas sans ce projet-là et qui leur permettent aussi de réfléchir et de proposer des choses à l'échelle européenne. Donc,
with Cristina González Torrens from the municipality in Catalonia, we ended up facilitating this training because she already had a lot of experience explaining them about the origin of the project and giving them concrete tools in order to facilitate the workshop for the delegates. Some had experience in facilitations, others were biologists or experts in sustainable development issues. So it was a very great group and we learned from each other.
Para terminar, espero que todo o processo que nos levou até aqui e que os resultados que estão presentes no trabalho realizado na terceira conferência possam ser o suficiente para não nos deixar perder o entusiasmo de manter a chama viva desta rede.
Young people are going to write a letter of commitments. They are going to say, we are ready to do that, and to ask, to challenge the decision maker, what are you doing, you at your level?
Only collective action is the solution.
Our planet's health is in danger. The planet needs our help.
The more power you have, the more knowledge you have, the more responsibility you have. But it doesn't mean that young people do not have any responsibility.